Hi, I'm Kym Gold. Welcome to my sweet digs. Fun fact, this can stay open. How cool is that? But before I let you in, remember to subscribe below. Come on in. My house is about 8,500 square feet. 5 bedrooms upstairs and 1 downstairs that's my office. I built this home 4 years ago for $6.3 million. I live in Royal Oaks in Encino. The area that I live in is really beautiful. It really feels like you're in the countryside. I live with my husband Marlon, occasional 3 boys, and my 2 dogs, Poe and Otto. I've been in the fashion business for 30 years. One of the companies I co-founded is True Religion Brand Jeans. I sold that company for close to over $800 million and started building homes after that, staging, which brought me to the company that I own now, Style Union Home. So it's fashion for the home. Let me tell you about this room. It is so special. Even though no one sits in the living room anymore, I don't know why. Every single piece in here I designed and had made. These are Philippe Starck chairs I found at a museum that was selling pieces. Philippe Starck is a very famous architect. I had them reupholstered. So when I mentioned my house has a traditional feel, I would consider the mantle to be a traditional piece in a very architectural room. But what I did to make it cool and more sexy, as I call it, I have a curvature tile made. I have glass gray, and then I did the curvature tile down here to add the cohesive piece. My home style, I would consider disheveled sexy, eclectic, modern, but somewhat traditional, and comfortable, and homey, and inviting. This is my mom, Miss Art, who is no longer with us. She taught me that all people are equal no matter what color, where they come from, and that was how I learned that. Ooh, guys, let's go into the media room. This is my fun room. This is where we watch TV with the kids. This couch, I searched high and low for. It is so comfortable. Look at this. Put it here, and it stays. You can lay back on there. This here is crocodile. I was laying out the space in a way that it was cohesive, that every room is cozy, it's a destination, that you feel that you want to be in each room. Relax, enjoy, have company, entertain. Let's go into my favorite room, family room. Let's go. This is where we sit, we hang out. I chose leather and wood so it would be very warm. This table, I bought it as a kitchen table. It was really high, but it wasn't big enough. So I took the legs underneath and shortened them, made it a coffee table. Behind me, yes, that's Deborah Harry. I had this put together, crystal quartz. I'm all about the healing properties with crystals and things that just make you feel good, and this makes me feel really good. And it actually makes people sitting in this room feel good. Look at that, I have to go. Just kidding. So I just did this kitchen. Look at my island. This isn't wood. This is the strongest tile you can make, because when you have kids and you entertain a lot, you gotta get the strongest stuff you can. This is Chloe. Chloe's our soap dish, Style Union Home. She holds anything you want. All of the appliances and everything is custom to color. These are new. I wanted two-tone. I like two-tone. So we did chrome and black. This is, I think it's from like the 1920s, from France. It's stained, it's got water, but that's what makes it home. This is rope. How cool is this? Wait till you see my pantry. I actually consider this messy right now. Everything is labeled. It makes for a fun pantry. These are all my mom's teapots from all over the world. They're always here, so when I walk in, this is what I see. Let's go into my office. Every single piece is custom. This table, I looked high and low for a desk, a size that would be for me, that 2 people or 3 people can sit at when we have meetings. Couldn't find it. There's 2 pieces together, but I found a place that does live edge wood. Less is more when it comes to offices. Nothing is cluttered. Everything has a place. And here are the first things I ever made for Style Union Home. I hand built them. This is the dining room. I wanted a glamorous room. What I did was reupholster these chairs, the theme color throughout my house, which is blue. This wallpaper is grass cloth, which is really cool. So what that does is it tones down the room with that lighting. This is my bar. Now you can see all the tequila. I had this 9-foot round table made. We eat in here every Sunday with the kids. Who wants to see the bedroom? My bedroom is my favorite part of the home. It's a massive room. Look how thick those are. I've mixed a lot of different pieces in here and color. Now this, passed on from my great-grandmother from Russia. That's an heirloom. How cute is the seating area? Oh my God. With the poof and the little white couch. So this is my 100-year-old fireplace. This is my master bathroom. I was looking for tile that brought me back to Europe, like hand-painted, something that would bring me to a European spa. This is a very big sink, and I love it. Which brings me to my very big tub. My shower. This is pink porcelain. Next room. Oh gosh. We love a closet, don't we? So I custom did my closet. So when girls come over and we're dressing up and we're going out, we're in a big space. This is the barbecue area, this raw edge wood table that is really a beautiful piece. So these are my beautiful pots from South Africa. They're orange, and I absolutely love a splash of color. This is Poe's playground, I have to say. Poe's in there all the time. This was completely dirt. I wanted a park-like setting, a very magical setting. And in here is my garden. I've been feeding everybody since COVID with this garden. We just replanted, but there's arugula, spinach, cucumbers, chives, mint, you name it. Oh, I have aloe vera for cuts. My mom taught me that. How great is this? So the electrician is coming tomorrow. We're putting the floors down. This is gonna be where all the pottery goes for the potters. Got the glazed studio upstairs. This is our studio. This is gonna be the design studio. Right now, our utensils, our rolling machine. This is where all the magic happens. This is where it all goes out for shipping, Style Union home. It's my garage for right now. This is a really great studio, and you know, through COVID and starting a company, this is where I'm doing it. I don't have anything to say about a next house. This is my dream home, and I'm staying here. Thanks for stopping by and seeing my sweet digs. Bye. Thank you for watching Refinery29. For more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.